One sunny day, Sally saw a crab scurrying along the sand, carrying a shiny pearl. Intrigued, she decided to get the pearl for herself. 2. As Sally approached, the crab, noticing her intentions, quickly buried the pearl and scuttled away. Sally was disappointed but determined. 3. The next day, Sally returned, this time with a plan. She observed the crab, noticing its habits and patterns. 4. After several days of careful observation, Sally came up with a clever plan. She spread sand around the pearl's location, making it harder for the crab to find. 5. When the crab returned, it couldn't find its treasure. Frustrated, it emerged from its hiding place and was easily caught by Sally. 6. With the pearl in her beak, Sally felt a sense of accomplishment. But she also felt a twinge of guilt for tricking the crab. 7. That night, Sally thought about her actions. She realized that while she had achieved her goal, she had not acted with kindness or fairness. 8. The next day, Sally decided to return the pearl to the crab. She found the crab and, with a humble apology, gave back the pearl. 9. The crab, surprised and grateful, thanked Sally for her honesty. From that day forward, Sally learned the importance of kindness, fairness, and honesty. 10. Sally's adventure with the pearl taught her a valuable lesson. She realized that winning isn't everything, and sometimes doing the right thing, even when it's hard, is more important. 11. And so, Sally grew wiser, not just in her knowledge of the sea and its creatures, but also in her understanding of what truly matters in life. 12. From then on, Sally was no longer just a playful seagull. She was a seagull who had learned the importance of kindness, fairness, and honesty, making her a better friend to all the creatures in her world. 13.